Hey, it's Ben, and I want to show you the mini tabletop tripod I got. I originally bought this because I needed to have it right in front of me on a desktop. Now I'm using it on a regular basis just for review videos. So I'm going to walk you through all the features. First off, there is a handle here which both allows control over the camera positioning, but also controls the vertical tilt. And then the knob on the side can be loosened and tightened for horizontal rotation. So these are kind of standard, these two elements for any tripod. Really the movement is generally pretty smooth on this, so that's nice. This knob here can be loosened to rotate the entire top part. So this gives you a nice vertical option for cameras. So this is a quick release button to remove the mounting plate. And one thing I really like about this is that the mounting screw actually has a little fold out handle that you can twist with your fingers. This is a lot easier than like a dial or even a notched screw that you have to use like a coin or something to tighten and loosen. The camera mount that comes with this, it grabs onto the device using a screw down mechanism. It's not terrible at all, but I do prefer the mounts that are spring loaded. It's a lot easier. There's a knob that can be loosened on the back, which allows the holder to rotate freely. So this makes it a lot easier to set up different orientations, like if you're using your phone. And there is an additional mounting spot on there as well. The legs have a tightening dial to secure the legs in the middle. Then there are quick release flip locks on the legs to allow for the extension of the legs. So raising and lowering the legs super fast. Keep in mind this is a tabletop tripod, so this is not meant to be super tall. So there is a hook at the bottom as well for adding stabilization weight if you need that, if it's windy or whatever, or if you're top heavy with your camera. Then there is a crank to raise the center shaft to add a little bit more height as well. And there is a level on here, so that's a nice little added feature as well. So finally, I want to point out the feet. I think this is a really good selling point. The feet are on this swivel joint, and they're these rubber feet. So this allows you to place the tripod on like uneven levels if you need to. Adds just that much more stability to it. Overall, I've been super happy with this tripod. It does come with a remote that can be used for Bluetooth, like shutter control for your device, but I really haven't used that. I do use this several times a week. I've been really pleased with it, and I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.